This is my EA888 powered 1.8 TFSI A3 sedan. And today, we're going to be fitting an upgraded intake to it. Now you may be wondering, Tuscan, where in the nonsense is the generator? Now listen guys, I'm truly sorry. We posted a video about the generator and then it seems like we dipped out. But it's just life has gotten in the way. It's been quite rough recently. But welcome back to the channel. While we're taking a break from the generator, I'd like to invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy every single snap, crackle, and pop that this amazing machine has to offer. Enjoy.
And you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. But even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A.
And there you have it guys. This magnificent piece of engineering is my 2016 Audi A3 1.8 TFSI. I absolutely love this car, featuring the washing in the background. Anyways, I absolutely love this car, okay? I'm firmly of the opinion that one shouldn't get too attached to, material things because they are fleeting. But I actually love this car. If there is one thing I'm attached to in this world, just a little bit, it's this car. I love driving it. I've loved owning it. Every single year I've had it, it's only made me happy. It's a 1.8 TFSI, 132 kilowatts when it's standard. This one, as you will discover as our videos go on, and as you may have heard already, I don't know if I put that clip in already, but doesn't really sound stock, and it's not stock. So I absolutely love this vehicle. We're gonna mod it. It's gonna be a friend of the channel. It's gonna be, the generator is like my daily use vehicle. I use it for business and those kind of things. But this is my baby. I love this car, and we will be doing all the mods that we can do within budget. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy. Just gonna pop the hood here. Ta-da! Okay, in here we have the legendary EA888 Gen 3 without an engine cover. Sorry guys, I'm not sure why I took that out. It was for something or other. Yeah, haters in the comments will be like, because it's an Audi, you have to work on it all the time. Shut up, that wasn't the reason. I just forgot to put it back. But yeah, this is the legendary EA888 Gen 3. If you know, you know. Comes in a 1.8 configuration like this one, or the 2-liter that you find in a GTI, or Mark 7R or S3. Today we're actually going to be doing something exciting. We're going to be taking out this whole thing, which is the stock intake, which is for boring people, and we are going to install an upgraded intake kit. And I can already hear the keyboard warriors in the comments going, hey, why do you put a 76mm? Even some of my customers are going to be like, yo Tuscan, why would you install a 76mm or whatever cold air intake in there when you tell us to put drop-in filters in, and they better just put a drop-in filter in your stock housing? Well, there's one scientific reason why, and it's, shut up, it's my car, I'll do what I want. So yeah, we're going to do that today, and it's going to be awesome. Yeah, well, speaking of science, some of you may want to know, purely for scientific reasons, what the car sounds like. Guys, I just wanted to give a quick shout out to these two rugs that I forgot to remove from the background. I'm now noticing that, you know, the video would have been far too neat in the background without them there. Sometimes you just need a little rustic, you know? Yeah, anyways. It all sounds quite crap, in my opinion. It's just the stock exhaust. Decatted downpipe, like the stock downpipe has been decatted. And it's got like some software on it. Duh, that's what I do. But yeah, it's basically stock exhaust after that, and it's got just a res delete. So yeah, I'll show you how it sounds. No problem. Don't laugh. Yeah, so it still sounds quite crap in my opinion, but we'll fix that in a future video. Yeah, today I'm just excited to show you guys my car. I love this car. Show you guys why I love it, and excited to fit the intake. So let's get started. Right. So, as I mentioned, under the hood of this A3 is a legend of a motor. If you know, you know. It's the Gen 3 version of the E888. What a beautiful, wonderful, amazing thing. Honestly, Audi and VW Group, they cooked with this one. They made an engine that not just doesn't just perform well, it also is quite efficient when you need it to be. So one of the first key features that you'll notice if you research this motor is that it has dual injection. So that means basically there's an injector that injects directly into the combustion chamber and one injector that also injects fuel pre-combustion chamber. That's basically into a port before going into the combustion chamber. When vehicles don't have port injection, there can be a bit of carbon buildup on the valves, and this helps mitigate that. On top of that, it features an integrated exhaust manifold and water-cooled turbocharger. It keeps the turbo running cooler under pressure, protecting the engine and giving you consistent power delivery. You know, reliability and tuning potential of these engines is off the charts. The usual potential of any engine when you remap them is about 25, 30 kilowatts. Not with E888s. They shoot up by at least 40 kilowatts, all of them. So just with the stage one, you know, this thing is an enthusiast's dream or a tuner's dream. The internal components are incredibly robust, giving it exceptional tuning headroom. Right out of the factory, these are great, efficient and powerful. But if you want more, this engine is ready. So with a simple stage one tune, these improve so much. So yeah, man, this E888 Gen 3 isn't just reliable, it's the foundation for performance. It's the reason vehicles like the GTI and the S3 literally have a cult following, and they've earned their stripes. It's refined, powerful, and it's German perfection. So obviously a lot of biasness coming here from a German Audi, VW Audi fanboy. But yeah, deal with it, man. If you love Toyotas and stuff like that, that's your prerogative. You're wrong, but it's your prerogative. It's time to unbox this intake. I'm excited. We know you on YouTube, you like unboxing videos, so we're gonna do one to the best of our ability now. You need a box cutter. Let's try from the top. Itself. Okay, dangerous equipment out of the equation now. Ooh. Okay, I know for a fact this thing doesn't come with it. The supplier just included that because I asked. So, here we go. I'm going to take this box, put it to the side, unbox that just now. Ooh. We have various components that put together as one. Okay, so this is going to be part of the housing, I assume. Oh, it's really cool. It's like metallic. All right. Okay. This is probably just some rubber to. This is. Let me just take out this first. Okay, so this is the silicone sort of pipe that will go from the turbo onto the pipe of the intake. This ensures it fits with the standard turbo elbow, I presume. Ooh, this looks important. Why does it come in such a nice, such a nice thing? Okay, I'm sure we can edit this out. I don't know why they tied it. Short thing by mistake. Okay, so these are the clamps that will probably go on the pipe and from the silicone onto on the silicone part. Some little nuts and bolts here. And we've got these as well. So far it's all looking good. I think this will fit onto the intake housing and onto the little I don't want to use the word I was supposed to use. Ooh. Oh. this is the reason why the intake sounds so lacquer, because it's a bigger diameter than stock. So yeah, I think this is aluminium. This is the aluminium pipe for the intake. And then
1 second.
yeah. Okay. This looks like the rest of the housing. Probably fits together with the other part. I'm not gonna open this one fully. Okay, I'll open it fully for the YouTube. Again, to me this is super high quality so far. It's all metal parts, looking good. And yeah, that's the box done. And now I'm gonna unbox the main part, the part that I like. Because I'm an Indian boy. If you're an Indian bra parking at home too, this is a sock, exact. It's a cone filter. You all know how you smart this thing. They'll put it on a Golf. I wanted it in black. You can get this in red, but I really wanted it in black. It looks kind of stealth. It looks cool, and I think when we fit this on, it's gonna sound tops. It's gonna sound. At the end of the day, performance gains and stuff like that, it only ever comes if you put like an upgraded. I think you get higher flow when you put a bigger turbo elbow. I mean, you will get probably some gains with this, but I'm actually just doing it because I think it's cool. So yeah, here's the stuff, and we're gonna install it. Right, let's get to installing this intake. The first thing you're gonna need is this thing. Look, I don't know what it's called. I just call this the big mother pliers. I used it to loosen this clamp that's on the pipe that leads from the intake box to the turbo elbow. I tried removing that clamp with the normal size pliers and I got cut. So anyways, that was the pipe. I didn't show you where that clamp is on the turbo elbow because honestly, this is not a how-to video, and if I have to tell you where that clamp is, you know, you have bigger fish to fry. Honestly, you need to learn how to tie your shoelace and stuff like that. So anyways, I removed that pipe and now I'm loosening a bunch of T25 torque screws on the top of the airbox. You don't really have to loosen these. I just wanted to because I wanted to be thorough and not break anything. It's more because I didn't want to break anything. I have a history of breaking things. So you could just lift the whole airbox entirely off the little points that it mounts to. So I just took off the top first, and now I'm going to lift it off. I removed that little hose from the side as well. So now I'm lifting it off those points. You can see them there. Yeah, those are the ones. And so yeah, ta-da! These are the grommets that are going to fit onto those points that will provide a mounting point for the new housing, for the new intake. So yeah, I'm fitting those now, and then we'll move on to the next thing. Yeah, so anyway, once I've done that, I am now putting the new intake housing onto those grommets. And again, if I have to tell you how I assembled this intake housing from two pieces into one, you need help walking up some stairs. So anyways, I'm mounting now this silicone piece onto the turbo elbow, and I've got a clamp that came with it. You'll see when we do the unboxing. And all you need to tighten that clamp is a 7mm socket or spanner, or there's a flathead screwdriver head there as well. I'm using a 7mm socket, and there we go, it's tightened there. I'm now just fitting this rubber piece onto the the rough edge of the intake housing, so that when the pipe sits on there, it doesn't like scratch or anything like that. And now I'm removing a vacuum hose that I thought I would have to remove, but turns out I don't have to. I actually need to remove it from a different place, slightly forward from there, or slightly behind that. And yeah, I'm gonna discover that right about now. Yep, and now I'm gonna pull it way too hard. Yep, drop the light, everything like that. Disgraceful. So anyways, this is about like 2 hours later when I discovered that silicone vacuum hose is not gonna work, and I probably need a much longer one, at which point I just moved over to the red one that I mounted there with a clamp. I needed to go and buy a clamp, and so I put this red one on, and thank God for the supplier who thought in advance when I asked and actually supplied me with this red hose. So yeah, I'm now connecting the pipe to that silicone piece, and again it came with a clamp, 7mm like head on the clamp there just to tighten it, and Bob's your uncle. So anyways, I'm gonna have to take that out again in a little bit, but I haven't realized that yet. Yep, there we go. There, idiot now realizes he didn't put the vacuum hose there. It was at this moment he knew. I'm just joking. Yeah, so I took it back out again, connected the pipe, the hose, and then yeah, basically forced it on there, and then connected it back again for like the bloody third time to the silicone piece, and then tightened the clamp again for like the bloody third time today. From then on, it was just easy. Just mount the cone on the front and tighten the clamp there again. Now this I just used a Phillips head for, because it was just easier. And yeah, for those of you who are asking, where's the engine cover? Yeah, there's the engine cover. There I am. There. You happy now? So yeah, then it was done, and the vehicle started as per normal and sounded great. There were no warning lights, no air leaks, anything of the sort.
Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, on the
Alright guys, so that's the intake install done. I'm loving it. I love the sound of it. So in the next video we'll try and do like maybe a POV or some kind of first drive, and we can both experience it together. So until then, please like, please subscribe. If you follow, I can make more content. So
no, man, I still go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day.